Pleiadians! Oh man. Yes, if you're an old soul, you may resonate with several. You may resonate with several because we all have so many incarnations, and I need to tell you right now, some of us, yes, we say we have these past incarnations in star systems or whatever. I'm a starseed. I have a past life in Pleiades, and I connect with that, right? Well, guess what? Some people have an active life in Pleiades that is their oversoul over there handling things, and they're here in the human incarnation, and sometimes they blip back and forth, or just they're in communication. We can have active lives, parallel lives right here and now of our own self in that star system. It doesn't necessarily mean it's past. It's just past to us because we're here and now. Okay, but these are also parallel incarnations that we could have. Now, Pleiadians want to share the love with everyone in a less physical way, much more heartwarming way, okay? So the Pleiadians are located in the beautiful star cluster known as the Seven Sisters and Messier 45 in the Taurus constellation. The Seven Sisters, have you heard of it? Have you ever seen up in the sky that bright spot, that bright patch of just stars? I'd be like, what is that? That seems new. I never noticed that before. Oh, there's the Pleiades just twinkling away, just looking all gorgeous. Oh, all right. So the Pleiadian star beings are well known for their very balanced heart chakras, just overflowing with love. Pleiadian star beings and the starseeds themselves generally embody the divine feminine qualities. Very soft-hearted, kind-hearted, quiet, not ruffling feathers, extremely loving, kind. They're the kind of person who watches what they say. They don't want to hurt anyone's feelings. Pleiadian starseeds may feel like the black sheep in their family. And that's because they're so incredibly perceptive and sensitive that, like, I love you guys so much, and you don't love me so much, right? You don't love me nearly as much as I feel like I love you, and I'm hurt because I can feel that difference. I can feel that I'm just a little more sensitive than everyone else, or I see things differently than everyone else, or I'm kinder than everyone else, or whatever it is, right? Now, Pleiadians are usually drawn to the night sky, to astronomy, to aliens, something to expand your mind. This could be happening now. People are just waking up now and just waking up to the knowledge of their starseed ancestry and lineage. So this could be something that you're just diving into. Now, Pleiadians have trouble understanding social hierarchy. Again, they don't understand why this guy up here is better than that guy down here. It doesn't make sense. We're all beings of love. We should all have the same love and respect. Pleiadians also tend to have lower blood pressure and lower body temperature, the physical body. They tend to be drawn to paranormal, metaphysical. They're highly sensitive, intuitive, and empathic. Okay, and I mean that. In your body, very empathic. Like, if you're in pain, I'm in pain. If you're crying, I'm crying with you. Very empathic. I feel exactly what you're talking about, and I feel it deeply like it's happening to me, okay? They're also very creative with active imaginations, and I want to say this, Pleiadians really like to think and cultivate really loving thoughts. Really loving thoughts. And not to say that they can't have bad or negative thoughts, but if they do, they feel a little guilty about it. I just want to say that. They really feel the need to have pure, loving, kind intentions. Now, they feel like their mission on Earth is to awaken humanity by contributing to the collective consciousness ascension. Pleiadian starseeds are usually humanitarians. They may challenge the social norms. They may have spontaneous healing abilities. They may be mystical and nature-loving. They love to share and talk and engage with people, and sometimes they share too much because they could be people pleasers. They really want to just keep going with it and make you happy and smile and engage, but they're just people pleasing, right? They can also be extremely emotional and can be embarrassed that they cry so easily. Others can be like, are you crying again? What's going on? Because I'm so Pleiadian, my heart is exposed. I'm a bleeding heart, and I'm so sensitive, and I love everything, and I care about everything, and I'm devastated when things go wrong, right? Pleiadians are they wear their hearts on their sleeve. But I'm telling you what, their calming energy can really transmute a lot. That's why people come to them for guidance, for support, for comfort, for just to talk, whatever it is, because Pleiadians, their calming energy really transmutes the energy of the environment. It really helps to uplift people, but sometimes they can inadvertently allow those same folks to drain from them. They can allow those same folks to drain from their energetic field just unintentionally by being there for them. So you have to be aware of that if you're a Pleiadian starseed. Pleiadian starseeds are very family oriented. They're likely to make great parents or grandparents. They really care about the little ones, about the individuals, about pets, about that flower. They don't want to kill the spider and take it outside. They want to leave it alive and carry it out. And they don't want to cut the flower. They want to leave the flower growing, right? These are the kinds of people that usually identify as Pleiadian starseeds.